Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a build of another MPC kit. This is like the second or third one in a row for me. 125 scale kit, 79 Chevy Nova, 2-in-1. Says stock or street machine. Kit number MPC 1003-12. And as always, I'll get everything laid out on the bench here and get right back to you. Well, that didn't take long at all. This is all of the molded in white pieces. There are 58 pieces in total. I still have chrome and glass and tires, but of the molded in white, 58 pieces. And then I also noticed as I took it out of the packaging, I don't know if I mentioned this in the unboxing video, but the side of this plastic body here is just filthy. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. There's all kinds of, well, there you go, there's a good shot of it. There's all kinds of little imperfections in the plastic on this one. They definitely need to clean their molds or something. Even on this side, it's like hair and dust particles all over it. Pretty interesting. Okay, I'll start chopping these pieces off the tree and get right back to you when I made a few decisions. Thanks again for watching. Be right back. Here's just a couple of quick shots of the body in the paint booth. Here's the detail of the dashboard and the chassis just before I put the body on it. Come out pretty nice. There's a final look at it. So I'm about to put the decals on the dashboard for the 79 Nova. And if you look, let's see if I can do this right. If you look right here, I don't know if the light's going to pick it up now. I'm going to try and bear with me, folks. Okay. Right here is where windshield wiper, you can't really see it, it's not going to focus on it. There you go. That's where the windshield wipers and the headlight button go. Alright, now on the real car, I believe that the headlight switch right there, you see that knob, is on the right, and the windshield wiper controls are on the left of that switch. So it would appear to be that it's backwards on the actual model here. And then if you look at the decals, I don't know if you can see it clear enough. I'm going to try and do this. The decal, it's not going to come out. But the decal is correct. It has the wiper controls on the left side and the headlight knob on the right. And it actually says wipe and wash right there. So the decal is correct, but the molded in piece is incorrect. And it's really not going to focus real good for me. There it is. See, the knob is on the left, right over here. So just a little detail. Now this might be correct. I don't think so. It's been a while since I've been in a 79 Nova, but I'm pretty sure that the wipers is to the left and the knob is to the right. But if this is correct, then the decals are wrong. So one or the other. No big deal, just a little frustrating. And then the other big thing is the dashboard, the speedometer, right there is the long rectangular style. But the decals for the speedometer are this set here and this set here. They don't fit in that space there. So just a little heads up for you guys if you want to build this one and use the decals. The nice thing about the decal set is they have vents, which are really cool, and whatever this is, I can't make it out from here, but they've got some. Here's a radio decal, that's really cool, and it says dashboard top right vent in pairs, which would be the one that's right there by my thumbnail, that's a vent, and the other vent is over here next to the left of the speedometer, and then the radio's right there. And I don't think there's any, oh yeah, there's 2 more vents right there. I didn't even see those. So that's pretty cool. So the decal sheet is pretty detailed, but the dashboard is lacking, I'm pretty sure. So, alrighty. Well, there's another one, guys. The 79 Chevy Nova. This is a MPC kit. I don't know, it's like my 3rd or 4th one in a row that I've done. But it's come out really beautiful. I'm very happy with this one. This is the latest version that came out just whenever 2023 this one came out. It was a pleasure to build. I didn't run into any kind of issues or complications that I can recall. I may have mentioned something earlier in the video, but apparently it wasn't that, if I did, it wasn't that important because I've forgotten it already. So it's been just a couple of days, and there it is. Kind of a classic look for a Nova there. Very reminiscent of the 68 to 73 version. Alright, we got a little bit of detail under the hood. Nothing major. Just some painting up stuff. Again, you know, as always, the biggest complaint is the MPC instructions aren't very detailed. Very basic. The badging decals and that went on, but it's very hard to see them on the particular color that I chose. Other than that, it turned out really nice. I'm real happy with it. And that's it for now. I gotta fix the hood there. Alrighty. Well, thank you all so much. Appreciate your time. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Help me grow this channel. We're getting there. And I do appreciate each and every one of my subscribers and everyone who has commented. And this is Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.